Welcome back to all of you. Previous lecture we have learned about the morphology of pinus. In this lecture we learn about the anatomy of that pinus. Anatomy, it is nothing but the internal structure of a plant. In this anatomy we see the three parts of anatomy: anatomy of root, anatomy of shoot, and anatomy of leaf. Firstly we start the root. The anatomy, we have know that there is a taproot system is present. It is a similar like a dicot root, in the sense of that the anatomical character of a dicot root, it is a similar. The primary root is the anatomical character are distinguished into the epidermis, cortex, endodermis. Epidermis, it is single layer and the protective in nature. Next is the cortex, it is 4 to 5 layers and with the consisting of the ectomorphic mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza, that means the symbiotic association with the fungal mycorrhiza for the beneficial to both partner. Next is the endodermis. Endodermis, it is nothing but the outer layer of a pericycle, which are the protective to the inner pericycle. In that pericycle there is a vascular bundle are present. The vascular bundle, it is nothing but there is a xylem and phloem tissue are present. Xylem is a Y shape and in there is a raising canal are present. Xylem is made up of a trachea and phloem consists of a sieve cells. Secondary growth is also occur in that the pinus root. Secondary growth, it is nothing but the meristematic layer of tissue such as a cambium, which cuts the vascular bundle into two parts, such as the xylem cut into primary xylem and the secondary xylem. Phloem cut into primary phloem and the secondary phloem. Here also we can see that the cambium cuts secondary xylem to inner side and the secondary phloem to the outer side. Thus, collateral secondary vascular bundle are formed. In this figure, we can see that the epiblema, root here, cortex, endodermis, pericycle, phloem, xylem, and the raising canal are present. I will explain in previous slide. That is each and every part we can see in a figure. Instead of there are the epidermis, instead there is a epiblema is present, outer side layer. Outer side of epiblema there is a unicellular root hairs are present. Below that the epiblema there is a cortex is present, which made up of parenchyma cells. Inside of that cortex there is a endodermis is present, outer layer of a pericycle. In that pericycle there is a vascular bundle are present, phloem and xylem. Xylem is a Y shape. In that Y shape xylem there is a raising canal are present. That is the first young root. In this figure we see the old root. That is one more difference that we can see here, the secondary growth. That is a primary xylem, primary phloem, secondary phloem, secondary xylem we can observe in that figure. Next is the anatomy of a stem. We also discuss the anatomy. There are the two types of stems are present in pinus: dwarf shoot and the long shoot. One by one we see the long shoot. The TS of pinus is a rib structure. They also present in a same manner of the part like a root: epidermis, cortex, endodermis. Yeah, epidermis, it is single layer. Cortex, in that raising canal are present. Endodermis followed by the pericycle. Inside of pericycle there is a vascular bundle are present. Vascular bundle are the conjoined collateral open enlarged pattern. Vascular bundle are similar like a dicot stem. आता we see the different type of vascular bundle. Vascular bundle, there is a conjoint xylem and phloem are the touches to each other. Collateral, xylem and phloem present lateral position to each other, open. In that vascular bundle there is a cambium strip are present. Enlarged type of vascular bundle, it is nothing but the protoxylem is situated in the center and the metaxylem situated at the outside. Protoxylem, it is nothing but the newly formed xylem, and the metaxylem, it is nothing but the old xylem. That are explained in the next point: protoxylem and metaxylem. Phloem made up of sieve cells. Central parenchyma zone is called as a pith. In the central TS of any type of anatomy, we can see the pith. Secondary growth also initiated with the help of a cambium. The old stem form the wood. There are different type of wood are present. Monoxylic, pycnoxylic wood are present. Monoxylic, only one cylinder of xylem is present. Pycnoxylic, number of zone of tissue are present. Medullary ray is present. Fusiform cambium is also present. linear raising canal also present, we can see in a wood. Next is the anatomy of a dwarf shoot. Epidermis followed by thick layer of cortex, hypodermis, and then cortex. Stellar organization depend on the number of a needle leaf. The vascular bundle are the open type. Limited amount of secondary growth will be observed. In that figure, we can see the dwarf shoot structure. Epidermis, below that the hypodermis, below that the cortex is present. Below that the cortex there is a pericycle or the vascular bundle are present. The vascular bundle are the open type. Open type, that means there is a cambium strip are present in between xylem and phloem. Medullary ray are present. Medullary ray, it is nothing but between two vascular bundle, thin parenchymatous layer of shell are present, that is known as a medullary ray. In that figure we can see that. Next is the anatomy of a leaf or the needle. It is also called as a needle pinus because the leaf, it is a very pointed and the needle like structure. The needle may be circular or triangular in outline. Epidermis, it is single layer. Sunken type of stomata is present. It cover with the thick cuticle. Epidermis followed by the sclerenchymatous hypodermis. Below that the hypodermis mesophyll cell is present. In that mesophyll there is a chlorophyll cells are present. In that diagram we can see pine leaf or the needle anatomy. Outer side there is a thick cuticle is present. Below that the epidermis is present. Epidermis, it is single layer. Below that there is a hypodermis, which are a sclerenchymatous in nature. Below that the mesophyll cell are present, which are the green color. That means there is a presence of the chlorophyll cells. After that we see in the stomata. In the pinus there is a special type of stomata, that is known as the sunken type of stomata are present. In the center there is a transfusion tissue are present. Transfusion tissue, that is means cortex are fuses to each other, or the xylem phloem are separated by the specialized cell, that is known as the transfusion tissue. Vascular bundle are present. In that the phloem and xylem are present. Below the phloem or xylem there is a endodermis. Outside of the endodermis there is a raising canal cell are present. In that slide we can explain the vasculature enclosed by the endodermis contain barrel shaped cells. It contains conjoined collateral enlarged type of vascular bundle. The pericycle is made up of 4 components: parenchymatous cell, sclerenchymatous cells, and the albuminous cells, and tracheidal cells. Tracheid, it is an element of a phloem, xylem. Several type of pinus occur in a xeric condition. They also show the modification there in an anatomical feature, such as a reduced lip surface, thick cuticle, sunken stomata, mesophyll cells, and the sclerenchymatous sheath present between the vascular bundle. That are modification are developed due to the low water content in the atmosphere. This is all about the anatomy of a pinus. In next video we can see the reproduction or the last stage of a life cycle. If you have any doubt, you can comment below the section, or you want to I explain any video, you can suggest me. Thank you.